Relays, the simplest node in Plasma. All the relay does is take a value in and put it straight out. So here I can do pressed on the button, send it into the relay, and output it to toggle. And it works great. Now you could say, why don't you just do a wire directly? And that makes sense in this case. But sometimes stuff gets more complicated. In this case, I want to have pressed and released both go to state, like this. But I want it to do that for all three colors. And so I could go pressed, release, press, release, press, release, but that would just be a ton of wires. So instead, I can link them all through the relay. Just like that. And then I can just have one wire go to state. And now all three of the buttons turn the light on and off. Just like that. Here's some examples of where I use relays in my builds. Right here, I have 4 outputs that need to go to evaluate and V2 on 4 math expressions. So I could go boom, 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 boom 4 times, which would be a ton of wires. This would look like a spider web right here. But instead, I route 1, 2, 3, 4 into the relay, and then I route the relay to evaluate in V2. And this just cuts back on the amount of wires in your builds. You can also name the relays, which helps you keep track of what's what. There's also another cool trick. Say you had something that has a player connector, and you put it on, and you want it to hit B. Now normally, you would be like, oh, I want to link connected. I want it to say yes to controlled, but you cannot link a node back into itself right now. So you can use a relay. And that gets around that problem. So now I hit F and it instantly activates.